A user can own millions of files in their domain. With GAT Flow, admins can select one or multiple users of the domain and remove the shares of all the files owned by those selected users. In this GAT Flow how-to, we'll show you how. To begin, launch the GAT Flow tool and head to the Create Workflow area. You can also use this method for the event and recurring workflows. Next, give your workflow a name and a description. For its type, you can select between Modify, which modifies the users you input, or Offboard, which will offboard and delete the user accounts. I'll select Modify. You can also enable conditional workflows if needed. If you prefer to schedule your workflow, turn off Run immediately after approval. Click Next to proceed. In this area, you can search for users, groups, or pick an org unit. Once you have added the users, click Proceed to Actions. Now you'll have to choose the actions to be taken. Click on the plus button to add an action. You can click on the double plus to add an action set. A pop-up window will be displayed. Search for and select Unshare Owned Files. Then select Scopes and choose which scopes you want to remove from the files. In this example, we'll remove the Viewer, Commenter, and Editor scopes. Lastly, click Send Approval Request. Your request will be sent to your domain's GAT Unlock Security Officer, and once approved, the workflow will be carried out. You can view the status of your workflow in the Workflows area. As a result of our workflow, all the files owned by the chosen users will become private and no longer shared with anyone. After a new scan in GAT Plus, you can see that the files owned by the user are private and not shared. Admins can also view the results in the admin log. To revert the changes, go to the admin log in the configuration area. From there, select the eye icon and click on Revert Changes. That covers this GAT Flow how-to. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.